Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to replace my California black-eye peas in my GreenStalk planter with new ones. The previous one had 25 plants in, and I've harvested from them and they have started to, or actually completed, dying back. So I'm going to remove those and place 63 new plants into the. Okay, this is my 162 PropTech cell tray. These are the California black-eye peas that I'm going to plant. Okay, I want to get at least 2, hopefully 3, into each planting area. Okay, nice plug. Plant it kind of deep. Okay, I was able to get 3 into that one. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the top row and then do the rest of them. Okay, we got all of them in, and now I just have to water. In the previous planting, we had 25 plants. In this planting, there are 62. It would have been 63, but in getting one of the plants out of the prop tech tray, I ripped it. So clumsy fingers for me, but as you can see, all of them are in nice and snug. And now I'm going to water them. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me on this little escapade to remove spent plants with new fresh ones. I had 63 plants, and I was able to plant 62, 61, I believe. So overall, I should have a larger harvest than I did with the 25 previous plants. And I'll be sure to bring you along on their journey from seed to starter plant to seeds. So if you enjoyed this video, by all means, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you are interested in any of the products, seeds, fertilizers, soil used in this video, head over to my Amazon storefront or head over to my website. Some of the vendors that I am associated with have pretty good deals, so it may not be too late to get some. Also, don't forget to head over to my Facebook page, Small Space Gardener, Small Space Gardening, where you can meet people like myself that have a tremendous interest in gardening but are limited in space. You can learn from them and they can learn from you, and you can meet new people. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.